My name is Brian Matthews. Can I get your name, sir?
Yes, Vladimir Buvlenko. Buvlenko. Yo?
E-L? Sorry, E-L?
B-U... L...
B-U...
L...
L...
E-N... E-N...
E-N... Buen, right?
B-U-E-N... Buen...
Buen, alright, got it, perfect.
Yes,
Buen.
yes, buen,
All right.
bueno.
So, alright, got it, perfect. Mr. Buen, my name is Brian Matthews.
Hello,
and,
nice to meet you,
I'm one of the
Brian.
accounts manager. Yeah, and I'm one of the accounts manager who is going to be assisting you regarding your alarm system today, right?
Yes.
So, real quick, I just wanted to ask you, are you the owner of the house, or do you rent your place?
Yes, I own my own house.
Oh, you're the owner of the house. That's a blessing right there.
Yes,
All right,
it
perfect.
is.
Okay, now, real quick, just wanted to ask you one more thing. That did you ever had an alarm system before, or this is going to be your first time?
I have security system which consists of large bear trap in front of front door, but I am looking to upgrade to something more modern and more legal. What can you tell me about
Okay, well, that's what
security
it is,
system?
right? I will explain you each and everything, Mr. Brian, right? So, how the whole thing works, I'll let you know. Actually, let me just tell you, are you in a contract, or you're done with that security system? Like, you don't have that
No, I
security
am
system
not under
anymore?
contract for any security system except for Dmitry, who I borrow bear trap from.
Okay, so you are paying them monthly, or
Yes, I pay them
you're not in the
monthly to
contract, right?
upkeep, bear trap.
Got it, perfect.
Yes.
Perfect, all right.
I go next
So,
door
let
and I
me
hand
tell you
him
that.
$5. I say, here you go. Thank you for letting me use bear trap. It is great deal. What kind of...
All right. Well, that's not what it is, right? That's not enough, right? So let me just ask you, if you were supposed to be having a security system at this point of time, what is going to be your major concern? Would it be like break-ins? Would it be medical emergencies or fire disaster? Like, what is going to be?
My major concern is that I hope that security system either kill or maim intruder. Can you do this for me?
Well, you know what? It's not like, the killing is not something that you
Well, will it
should be
maim
doing,
them?
right?
I don't want any dead people in my house.
Yeah. So it's better that we just keep the intruders in the authorities' hands, right? The police should handle them perfectly,
Yes, the
right?
police can handle
Now,
them.
what
Right
is-
an ambulance with half leg
Got
from
it,
bear
perfect.
trap.
Yeah. Now, what it is, right? Like every 13 seconds, a house is being broken into, resulting
Yes.
in average loss of about $3,000, right? That's what it is, and that's not enough. You get, you lose a lot of different things, that cannot be justified with a price, right? So, quickly, I just wanted to ask you, how many doors do you have at this point of time leading outside your house?
Yes, I have approximately 3 entrance and exit to home. And what I would do with entrance and exit to home is that I have installed chicken wire on door handle.
Alright, perfect. Now, let me tell you about the system that we are talking about, okay? As I told you before, when it comes to security business, our company, American Security, right, is on the top list, right? In terms of technology, in terms of response time, right? So when I say in terms of technology, we have the state-of-the-art technological equipment that's going to be catering to your doors. That means we will be providing you with 3 magnetic door sensors. There's going to be a motion
Wait, you are
sensor
telling me
that
you're...
means,
Wait. You're telling me you're giving me magnet that tells me if there is door nearby? It is magnetic door sensor, yes?
No. This is not how it is, right? This is much more advanced, right? This is much more, you can say...
I'm telling you,
more
little
technology
magnet that
is
shows
there.
me where door
So
is
that means-
very advanced.
No. let me just tell you, the magnetic door sensors, what it is going to do, the whole alarm system is going to be having, you can have 30 user codes, right? So anyone who is not authorized, right, if he enters your house, it's going to be having a delay for, you can set for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds. Depends upon your, how do you feel satisfied, right? In that time period, and if that person does not punch in the code that was supposed to be punched in, right, the alarm system is going to go off. And when I say
yes,
the alarm system is going to go off, that means...
Yes, with the alarm system going off, could you imitate for me what kind of noise it would make?
It will make such a noise that's going to make, like your neighbors and the neighbors' neighbors.
Yes, but could you
your neighbors to, awaken, right?
Yes, could you imitate this noise for me?
Person
is it like a beep, 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 or is it a wheel, 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 wheel?
No.
Oh, it's like a
no, right?
Okay, so it's like a wheel, 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 wheel.
Yeah, carry on.
Yes,
right, you can Boy, let me just tell you. You know what? As I told you before, the system that we have is very top of the technology. So there's not going to be only one sound. It can make whatever sound.
Oh, you're telling me I have choice now between wheel, or beep, 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 beep.
You know what? The sound of that alarm system does not matter. What matters is that...
Yes, it does. I needed to strike fear into heart of intruder while he fall into bear trap like stupid animal. I need police to come witness what happened when thieves step on property.
Okay. Boy, let me just tell you enough of what it is. Let me just conclude.
I think I have strong idea. I get it. They go wheel, or go beep, beep, beep.
Yeah. You know what? It's going to make such an intense voice, such an intense alarm sound is going to be there. If an unauthorized person is at your property and he has got into there, he's going to make sure, a million times before he takes his next step, right?
I think he is going...
the sound is going to be.
I think he's going to be shitting himself because he has his leg in bear trap.
Yeah. You know what? I tell you something. We have over 15 million customers all over US, right?
Yes, how many of them use your system in conjunction with Bear Trap? This one.
Exactly. So, from our research and development department, they gave us a story from one of the intruder, right? What he told, that...
How did you get in contact with the intruder? That makes no fucking sense. That does not make a lick of sense, sir.
You're not getting the point, sir. Let me
I am getting the point. I need to put more bear trap in front of my house. I need to put them at windows now.
The dead trap is not going to work out for you. Let me tell you.
It has worked out. I have caught 6.
It's not about... then,
Bridgeport is hell of place. Do you know where Bridgeport is? It is like slum in India that you live in, only 10 times worse.
Boy, answer me this thing.
Will?
You are out of your home, like about 10 miles away from your home. Your house, God forbid, I don't want this to happen, right, with you. God forbid your house gets on fire.
You're telling me you are going to light my house on fire, you son of a bitch!